Hello guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to be confident. 1. Practice self-awareness. Recognize what you're good at and what makes you unique. Reflecting on your achievements can help you see your value. 2. Set small, achievable goals. Confidence grows when you accomplish goals, even small ones. Set clear, realistic goals and celebrate when you reach them. This reinforces the idea that you're capable of succeeding. 3. Develop positive body language. Good posture not only improves how others perceive you, but also affects how you feel about yourself. 4. Challenge negative thoughts. Whether you catch yourself thinking negatively or doubting yourself, challenge those thoughts. Ask yourself if they're based on facts or assumptions. Replace them with more positive, empowering thoughts. And finally, 5. Improve your skills. Whether it's public speaking, writing, or any other skill, improving in areas that are important to you boosts your confidence. The more competent you feel, the more confident you become. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.